Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.